Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the helical sweep command. For that purpose, let us draw one object here. Click on the plane, go to the sketch and draw the structure with the help of lines. Click on the lines, first line and second line. Edit the dimensions as a 250 and this dimension as 100. Select one line, draw this line, edit the dimensions 60, again 60. We are going to use the revolve command here, so that's why draw the center line. Now the sketch is ready for the revolve command. Click on OK. Now use the revolve command. You will get automatically revolve command along the axis. Say OK. Now we will see how to use the helical sweep to attain the threads. So in the sweep command, click on the helical sweep. In the reference section, firstly we have to define the reference, so that's why click on the define, select the plane, then go to the sketch. Now we are in the sketch mode. With the help of reference section, select this line as a reference, click on close, draw one line starting from the start point up to the distance to which we have to draw the threads. In this particular case, we want the dimensions up to 200 mm. Here, draw one center line for the reference, then click on the OK. Here, we will get the thread dimensions up to 200 mm. Then, go to the sweep section, create or edit sweep section. In this case, we have to draw the sweep section. In this particular case, we are going to draw the triangular shape. So zoom the portion, click on the line, draw the triangular section, modify the dimensions. Here we want the 15 mm. This distance should be 7.5 and this angle should be 60. Here we have drawn the section. Now we want to revolve this section along the helix. So click on OK. Select here the material removal option. In this way, we are getting the helical sweep. So in this case, we can change the dimensions. Here we can change the pitch. Currently the pitch is 20. You can modify it. Suppose it is 15. So in this way you can modify the pitch. Also you can change the orientation of the thread. In this particular case, it is right-handed thread. For the left-handed thread, you can click on here. So say OK. We will change the shading with edges option. So in this way you can change the orientation of the thread from left to right and you can get the helical sweep. In this particular case, we want the smooth thread. So that's why zoom on this portion, click on the sketch, select this plane, then go to the sketch. We want to zoom it. So with the help of reference section, click on the lines for the removal of that triangular shape. Click on close. So click on line. Select that triangular portion as a close profile. As it is a close profile, we can change it. Click on OK. Now we will extrude this triangular shape. So click on the extrude, change the direction and click on the material removal option. So in this way we can get the smooth thread. Click on OK. In this way we can get the smooth thread. Similar case we have to do for the bottom thread. So click on this, go to the sketch, select this plane, go to the sketch. We want to zoom in that portion. Click on the reference, select the lines for the reference, close, select the lines, overlap that lines. In this way we will get the close profile. OK. Now we want to extrude this portion. So change the direction, select the material removal option. So in this way we will get the smooth thread. So this is the application of helical sweep.